Are your hazy, yellowed headlights making your car look absolutely ancient and putting your night driving safety at serious risk? Don't spend hundreds of dollars on full replacements until you hear what we discovered. I have ranked them from number 6 all the way down to number 1. And let me tell you, the number 1 spot completely caught me off guard with how incredibly well it worked. Stick around, because one of these kits absolutely blew my mind, and it is probably not the one you are expecting. Number 6. Chemical Guy's Headlight Restore. Now, I generally like a lot of stuff from this brand, so I was pretty eager to get my hands on this bottle and try it out on a heavily yellowed sedan I had sitting in the driveway. The promise here is essentially a one-step solution, which sounds incredibly appealing when you just want a quick fix without busting out the heavy machinery. You know, when I first applied it to the microfiber pad and started working it into the lens, the consistency felt really nice, almost like a premium liquid wax. It went on smooth, and I spent a solid 10 minutes putting some serious elbow grease into a single headlight. I wanted to give it the best possible chance to shine, literally. But the results were honestly quite underwhelming. While it did remove the surface level dirt and a tiny fraction of the haziness, the deeper oxidation didn't even budge. I wiped it clean, took a step back, and realized the headlights still looked predominantly cloudy. I mean, it was maybe 10% better, which just isn't enough when you're looking for that crystal clear finish. The major drawback I noticed is that this product fundamentally acts more like a mild polishing compound rather than a true restorer. If your headlights are severely degraded from years of UV exposure, this simply lacks the abrasive power to cut through that dead plastic. You really have to temper your expectations with this one. Well, to be perfectly honest, I would only recommend this if your headlights are just barely starting to show the very first signs of haziness. If you have serious yellowing, you are going to be sweating over your car for an hour with very little to show for it. It earns the number 6 spot simply because it underperformed on the tough jobs. 5. Mother's NuLens. This one steps up the game by including a backing plate and polishing tool that attaches directly to your household drill, which immediately made me feel like I was about to get some serious professional level work done. I grabbed my drill, hooked everything up, and went to work on an old SUV that had lenses looking like frosted glass. At first, the mechanical advantage of using a drill felt great. You know, you feel like you are saving your arms a lot of manual labor, and the sanding discs provided do a decent job of ripping through the top layer of crusty, yellowed plastic. The dust was flying, and it genuinely felt like progress was being made at a rapid pace. However, things got a bit tricky for me during the polishing phase. I mean, the included Power Plastic 4 Lights polish is okay, but achieving a perfectly uniform finish with their specific foam ball attachment was surprisingly difficult. The ball tends to grab and hop along the surface of the headlight if you don't hold it at the exact perfect angle, which can actually leave micro-marring if you aren't incredibly careful. The real downback here, though, is the lack of a dedicated, hard-curing UV protective clear coat. Once I finished the sanding and polishing, the lens looked significantly better, but because it only uses a liquid polish to seal the plastic, I could tell this wasn't going to last. Well, in my experience testing these over time, without a true ceramic or hard clear coat, that yellowing is going to start creeping back in just a few months. So while the drill attachment is a fun concept and it definitely removes the heavy oxidation better than a simple liquid compound, the overall user experience was a bit clunky. The results look good on day 1, but the lack of long-term protection firmly anchors it in our number 5 position. Number 4. Meguiar's Ultimate. Now we are getting into the territory of kits that really start to impress me. I picked up this box feeling pretty optimistic, as it promises a simple 2-step process that doesn't require any power tools at all. I tested this on a hatchback that had moderately oxidized headlights, and I was genuinely looking forward to seeing how a manual kit would perform. The first step involves using their specialized cleaning solution with an abrasive scuff pad. I have to say, the pad is ergonomically designed and felt really comfortable in my hand as I worked it over the contours of the headlight. You know, it cut through the yellowing surprisingly fast for a hand sanding tool, and the cleaning solution provided great lubrication, so I didn't feel like I was deeply scratching the good plastic underneath. After wiping away the slurry from the cleaning step, the headlight was perfectly prepped with a uniform, frosted look. This is exactly what you want before applying a coating. I mean, the prep work was so straightforward and fast, it barely felt like a chore at all. Then came the magic step, the headlight coating aerosol spray. Applying a spray can be intimidating because of runs and drips, but this laid down beautifully. One even pass, and the frosted plastic instantly turned crystal clear. It was incredibly satisfying to watch the clarity return right before my eyes. I really enjoyed testing this Meguiar's kit. It delivers fantastic, immediate results, and the aerosol coating includes UV protection to keep them looking fresh. It is a fantastic middle ground option for someone who wants great results without dealing with drill attachments or complicated multi-step wet sanding processes. 3M Ultra. When you open this package, you can immediately tell you are dealing with a professional grade product. It comes with multiple grades of sanding discs, a drill backing plate, and crucially, actual rolls of automotive masking tape. I tackled a seriously neglected truck with this kit, ready for a multi-stage restoration. The process is definitely involved. You start with the heavy 500 grit discs to aggressively remove the yellowed layer, then step up to 800 grit, and finally use a 3000 grit wet sanding disc. Well, I won't lie, it takes time and patience to go through all these steps properly. You really have to trust the process because your headlights look absolutely destroyed after that first 500 grit stage. But man, the progression is undeniably effective. As I moved through the grits, I could see the surface becoming smoother and more refined. The drill attachment provided by 3M is incredibly well balanced, much better than the one in the mother's kit, so I didn't experience any of that annoying hopping or skipping across the lens. The final step utilizes their clear coat wipes rather than a spray or a polish. You carefully wipe the provided clear coat across the freshly sanded lens, and the transformation is stunning. The wipes make it super easy to get an even, self-leveling coat without worrying about overspray getting on your car's paint. The clarity achieved with the 3M Ultra Kit is phenomenal, and the durability of their clear coat is legendary in the detailing community. It is a bit more labor-intensive and requires careful attention to detail, but the results are practically indistinguishable from a brand new factory headlight. Number 2. Sylvania Headlight Restoration. I had heard incredible things about this kit for years, so my expectations were sky high when I took it out to work on a commuter car with severely sun-damaged lenses. What makes this kit unique is its chemical-forward approach to softening the UV damage before you even start sanding. The surface activator they provide is pretty wild. You spray it on, and you can literally see the yellow gunk softening and bubbling up immediately. You know, it took so much of the initial hard labor out of the equation. Wiping off that activator removed a huge layer of oxidation before I even picked up a piece of sandpaper. The sanding process itself is done by hand, using a progression of wet sanding papers. Because the chemical activator did so much of the heavy lifting up front, the hand sanding felt effortless. I mean, I was just refining the surface rather than fighting through years of baked-on crust. The steps were clear, well documented in the box, and easy to follow. The absolute best part of the Sylvania kit is the UV block clear coat application. After prepping and drying the lens, you apply this thick leveling liquid with a blue shop towel they provide. The way it flows over the micro scratches and instantly creates a glass-like finish is basically detailing magic. The longevity of this kit is what truly solidifies its number 2 placement. Sylvania offers a lifetime warranty on this specific restoration, meaning they are incredibly confident that their UV block will hold up against the elements. It gave me stunning clarity, an easy process, and peace of mind, making it a nearly perfect product. 1. CERAKOTE Ceramic. I was highly skeptical of this one initially because it promised professional results with no power tools and a suspiciously simple process. I tested it on the worst headlights I could find, opaque, deeply yellowed, and heavily textured. The first step involves using their specialized oxidation removal wipes. Well, I couldn't believe my eyes. Without any sanding at all, these wipes chemically stripped away the majority of the yellowing. The towels turned completely brown as they pulled the dead plastic off the lens. It was incredibly satisfying and entirely effortless compared to the heavy sanding required by other kits. Then, they provide an ergonomic sanding pad with 2 stages of paper to just smooth out whatever is left. Because the wipes did the hard part, I only spent about 5 minutes lightly wet sanding each headlight. The pad fits perfectly in your palm, making it super easy to control and navigate around the curves of the headlight housing. The final step is what makes this the undisputed champion: the ceramic clear coat wipes. Ceramic coatings are the gold standard for automotive protection right now, and having it infused into a simple wipe is genius. I simply opened the package, wiped it horizontally across the lens, and watched as it cured into a brilliant, diamond-hard, crystal-clear finish. I mean, the final result was absolutely breathtaking. Not only did it look brand new, but knowing that there is an actual layer of ceramic curing over the plastic means this restoration is going to last longer than almost anything else on the market. It took me less than 30 minutes per headlight, required no heavy machinery, and provided the absolute best, most durable finish of the entire bunch.